10 minutes?
Yeah. And miles.
Oh, way less than 10 minutes then.
The lighting looks really cool.
There's very possible a tornado out there somewhere, but you're not going to be able to see it from here. That's the shitty part.
Well, let's worry about refueling first and then finding.
Still got like 7 miles to our north option, and we've got a pretty good view here, so I think I'm going to go up to the top of this hill and we'll pull over in the grass. Sounds good. A little soft, so I'm going to test it first.
You see something? Oh, yeah. Hey, tornado on the right. Tornado on the right. Tornado on the right. Y'all see it?
Careful.
I'm trying to be careful. I'm just trying to aim the stream where you can see it. I can't tell if the stream can see it or not.
Vivian's watching for sure. Vivian,
Yeah,
text
we
me.
got it. We're trying to get gas and we saw that.